How to set up Indeed profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set up Indeed profile. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Indeed is a free job search engine that lets you search and apply for job openings, post your resume online, read company reviews, and more. Although you do not need to create a profile to search and apply to some jobs, having a profile will help you get more out of Indeed. So, in order to create an account in Indeed, go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in Indeed.com. Or you can also download the Indeed mobile application for iOS or Android. Now tap on the sign in button you see there and then scroll down and tap on the create an account at the bottom option. You can register using your email address, Apple ID, or your Google account or your Facebook account. Keep in mind that Indeed may send you a confirmation email to verify your account. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, decide if you'd rather upload an existing one or build a new resume within Indeed. Once done, fill out the next few pages with your personal information, job search preferences, and work experience if necessary. Now, in order to find jobs, once you have created your account, tap on the Find Jobs option in the top left or to begin your job search. Click the first box and type a job title or keyword. In the second box, enter the city or zip code where you want to work. You can also enter remote if you'd rather work from anywhere via your computer. Finally, tap on the Find Jobs button to see the list of job openings. If you see something interesting, click on it and learn more. So this is how you can set up your Indeed profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.